So in this video, we are going to discuss some problem based on Norton's theorem. So the question is determine the current that is I that is flowing through this load resistance or that is the RL value is 8 ohm. Okay. So using Norton's theorem. So you know that Norton's theorem is the equivalent circuit of Norton's theorem is ISC that is in parallel with RTH and thus 8 ohm resistance. And we need to find the current at this point, right? So what is the current? Current is equal to ISC into 8 divided by 8 plus RTH. So you need to find the value of so to find ISC, so you have to take the this circuit, right? And so you have to remove this load resistance. They have to connect it. Sure. So this is nothing but your ISC. So suppose if this current is IA, the IA will flow only through this ISC only. So here IA is nothing but ISC because the current will flow only through the path which is having very less resistance. Here the resistance value is 0, so all the current will flow through this this path only. Okay, so here the current is 0. So if the current is 0, I can remove this resistor. Okay. And if you see if this current is IB, here IB is equal to nothing but ISC because the entire current will flow only through this path only. So I can remove this resistance. Okay. And here if I take this is I, so the entire current will flow through only this this path only. So I can remove this 4 amps. So the entire current is nothing but ISC only. Okay. So now what is a voltage? A voltage is equal to, so if I want to find the current ISC, IS is equal to 200 divided by 2. That is nothing but 100 amps. So the current is 100 amps. Next I need to find the value of RTH. So to find the value of RTH. So to find the value of RTH, what you should do, you take the again the whole circuit and you remove this. So here only we need to find the value of RTH, right? And you should not have any sources. So since this is a voltage source, I can remove only by shorting this 2 values. So now you can see these 2 resistors are in parallel. So if these 2 resistors are in parallel, means 8 divided by 6. What is 8 divided by 6? 8 divided by 6 is 1.33. Okay. So I can redraw the circuit like this. This is 1.33, 6, 20, 30 and 30. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this star terminal into, so this is A and this is B. So I can draw this one as, so this is your B and this is your A and here you have C. Okay. So this is 10 and this is 6 and this is 20. So this is in the shape called star, right? star shape. So I need to convert this one into a delta shape. That is like this.
You get it? Yeah.
So this is nothing but RBA, and this is nothing but RBC, and this is nothing but RAC. Okay. So what is the formula is? So in order to find the value of RBA is equal to, so I have to multiply these two terms, right? So if I multiply these two terms, I will get 60. And you have to multiply 6 with 20. You will get 120. Plus 10 into 20. 10 into 20 is 200. So the RBA opposite terminal is 20. So you have to divide it by 20. So answer is 380 divided by 20, that is nothing but 90. Okay. So similarly, if I want to find the value of RBC, that is nothing but again 60 plus 120 divided by 200. 60 plus 120 divided by 200. Divided by the opposite value is 6, right? So that is nothing but 380 divided by 6. Am I right? So what is 380 divided by 6? 380 divided by 6 is 63.33. Next, in order to find the value of RCA, so 60 plus 120 plus 200 divided by opposite resistances. For this one, opposite resistance is 10. So answer is 380 divided by 10, that is nothing but 38. So I'm going to replace this entire circuit, that is 1.33. Okay. Between A and B, you have RBA, right? What is the value of RBA? RBA is 90. Okay. And between A and C, you have what is the AC value? AC value is 38, and this one is 63.33. Okay. And this one is 6, and this one is 10. So here only you need to find the value of RTH. So if we see the 6 and 38 are in parallel, and 10 and 63 are in parallel, right? So I can again read out the circuit. 1.33, this is 19, and this is your RTH. So 6 into 38 divided by 44. Answer is 5.18. This is 5.18, and 3.3 divided by 73.33. This is 8.63. So here these two resistors are in series and these two resistors are in parallel. So 19 into 1.33 divided by 20.33. So we'll get 1.24, and this one is 8.63 plus 5.18. That is nothing but 13.81. So what is RTH? RTH is equal to 13.81 into 1.24 divided by 15.05. So what is the answer? 13.81 into 1.24 divided by 15.08. Does 1.135. Okay. So you substitute in this value. Okay. ISC value is 100. So 800 divided by 8 plus 1.135. So what is the value? 800 divided by 0.13. That's 87.37. 87.57 amps. So here you can see this is nothing but IX. So this is IX means so we know that ISC is equal to IX plus I. So what is I now? 100 minus 87.57. So what is 100 minus 87.57 is 12.43.